Today we're diving into the story of USS Stoddert, a Clemson-class destroyer named for Benjamin Stoddert, the first Secretary of the Navy. Launched in 1919 and commissioned in 1920, Stoddert joined the Reserve Destroyer Squadron and immediately began tactical training along the California coast. She practiced gunnery, anti-aircraft drills, target towing, and operated with larger ships like Battleship Squadron 5. In early 1921, she sailed with the Pacific Fleet through the Panama Canal for winter maneuvers as far south as Chile. After returning to San Diego, Stoddert continued training up and down the West Coast before heading back to Panama in 1923 for major fleet problems. That same year, she also took part in ceremonies honoring the victims of the Honda Point disaster. Through the mid-1920s, Stoddert stayed busy, crossing the Pacific to Hawaii, then joining a goodwill cruise to Samoa, Australia, and New Zealand. She conducted joint Army-Navy war games, escorted President Warren G. Harding's ship, and even joined search operations for missing aircraft during the infamous Dole Air Race. When the London Naval Treaty reduced destroyer numbers, the Navy reinvented Stoddert. She was converted into a radio-controlled target ship, an experimental role that paved the way for later drone-style vessels. After years of serving as a live-fire target, she was decommissioned and scrapped in 1935.